Have you ever been in a quiet room when a sudden hiccup surprises you? That sudden jolt is your diaphragm, the muscle below your lungs, spasming. This happens when a nerve reflex, mainly involving the phrenic and vagus nerves, gets triggered. Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even stress can set it off. These nerves are part of your nervous system, quietly keeping your breathing in rhythm. While hiccups are harmless, they remind us how sensitive our bodies are to small changes. Over time, gentle habits like slow eating can help keep these reflexes calm. Small choices matter.